Okay, so here's the unboxing of the Presonus ERIS 3.5 monitor speaker. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, inside the box we found the real box. So let's take it out. So that's the box, which inside are the speakers. Yeah, let's open the box. So we just opened the box and we found paper with some information and some stuff to stick above the speakers so they don't move. And here are the speakers with some cables for the proper connections. We have a stereo mini jack cable, a stereo and earthia cable, and this black and red one is to connect the speakers between them. So all the cables are in here, and probably there is also a cable for the power, which is this one, so it's okay. And here are the speakers, still with the back. I want to take the back off, of course. So here are the speakers, Presonus ERIS 3.5, and this one here, this is the active one, and this is the passive one. It's got no tools in front, and this one has got the volume here, an aux in, a phones out, and the power. So this is the powered speaker, this is the passive one, and behind there are also difference. The passive one only have the tools you can have to connect between this and this, black to black, red to red, and this other one you have to connect the power here, and then you have two ways balanced out, the rest out, an unbalanced earthia out. This one is for the high and this one for the low, and the volume is in front, so that's all what you really need. Here we can see the size of the speakers. That's the power speaker behind, and that's the on-power speaker behind. So this is the unboxing of the Presonus ERIS 3.5 monitor speakers. Thank you very much. All right.